Sir, what is ownership?
Ownership is a right. So, question, what is ownership? Answer is, it is a right. What is ownership? My dear colleagues and dear students, this is topic for my today's discussion. What is ownership? मलकियत क्या है? But before that, dedication. I hereby dedicate my video to my great teacher and mentor, मिस्टर आफ्ताब फर्रुख साहब. यूनिवर्सिटी लॉ कॉलेज में हमें क्रिमिनल लॉ पढ़ाया करते थे, बाद में लाहौर हाई कोर्ट के जज भी रहे. पाकिस्तान पीनल कोड के सिर्फ एक सेक्शन 302 की वकालत किया करते थे. ऑनरशिप क्या होती है? देयर आर डिफरेंट कॉन्सेप्ट्स विच आर इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड बट डिफिकल्ट टू डिफाइन. सेम इज द केस विद ऑनरशिप. हम सबको पता है ऑनरशिप क्या होती है. आप एक गाड़ी के मालिक हैं, आप एक घर के मालिक हैं, आप का बैंक बैलेंस से आप मलकियत रखते हैं. ऑनरशिप है क्या? Ownership is a right, but it is not a single right. It is collection, combination of many legal rights. If all the legal rights pertaining to something are vested in some person, we say that person is the owner of that thing. There are two concepts, two theories in jurisprudence regarding the concept of ownership. One is Professor Salmond's point of view. Salmond says it is a relationship between a person and a right which is vested in him. Let me repeat. Professor Salmond defines ownership as a relation between a person and a right which is vested in him. Austin differs. Austin was also a positivist. Positivist वो jurist होते हैं जो analytical school of jurisprudence पे believe करते हैं. Austin says it's a relationship between a person and a thing. यानी दोनों jurist एक बात पे मुत्तफिक हैं कि it is a relationship. Salmond कहता है relationship between a person and a right है, और Austin's point of view person and a thing. Be that as it may, ownership is basically तीन डिफरेंट राइट्स के मजमूआ को मैं कह सकता हूं ये ऑनरशिप है. पॉजिडेंडी, यूटेंडी एंड डिस्पोंडेंडी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, पॉजिडेंडी. व्हाट इज पॉजिडेंडी? Posidendi means right to possess a thing. So if someone is owner of a thing, he has a right to possess that thing. उसे अपने कब्जे में रखने का हक रखता है. राइट की बात कर रहा हूं मैं, ये नहीं कह रहा हूं he must possess it. He has a right to possess it. He may possess it. He may give the possession to someone else. Number two, he has utendi. What is utendi? Owner has a right to use the thing in the fashion, manner, design he likes. Right to use. पहला right to possess, दूसरा right to use. Number three, third right, despondendi. Owner has a right to dispose of a thing. आप एक गाड़ी के मालिक हैं, घर के मालिक हैं, आप चाहें उसको सेल कर दें, गिफ्ट कर दें, विल के जरिए से दे दे. सो ही हैज अ राइट टू डिस्पोज ऑफ अ थिंग. इफ ऑल दीज थ्री लीगल राइट्स, यानी पॉजिडेंडी, यूटेंडी एंड डिस्पोंडेंडी, all these three legal rights are vested in someone's personality, that person in law is known as owner of that thing. There are many kinds of ownership. But I will be discussing here only one kind, and that is corporeal ownership and incorporeal ownership. Now, what is corporeal ownership? Corporeal things क्या होती है? According to Black's Law Dictionary, a thing having physical existence, उसे हम कहते हैं corporeal thing. मादी अशिया, a thing which can be touched. So this rostrum is a corporeal thing, table is a corporeal thing, car is a corporeal thing. Thing having physical existence, उसे हम कहते हैं ये corporeal things. Incorporeal things having no physical existence. Copyrights, shares in stock exchange companies, trademarks, intellectual property, यूनिवर्सिटी डिग्री, ये सारी एग्जाम्पल्स हैं जी इनकॉर्पोरियल थिंग. ये हैं कॉर्पोरियल थिंग एंड इनकॉर्पोरियल थिंग. नाउ कमिंग टू द कॉर्पोरियल ओनरशिप एंड इनकॉर्पोरियल ओनरशिप. Ownership of a corporeal thing is called corporeal ownership, and ownership of incorporeal thing is called incorporeal ownership. But then there is a deep discussion. Ownership basically has to be the incorporeal. जरा इसको प्लीज कंसंट्रेशन के साथ मेरी बात को सुनिएगा. Ownership has to be in all the cases incorporeal. Why? Ownership is a right. Right तो होता ही incorporeal है, उसको तो physically touch नहीं कर सकते. It is an interest which is recognized as well as protected by rule of justice, rule of right, respect for which is a duty and disregard of which is a wrong. So ownership, since is a right, collection of many, combination of many legal right, it has to be the incorporeal. Then question arises, if it has to be incorporeal, then why this classification is there? Corporeal and incorporeal ownership. The answer is, it is the subject matter which is corporeal or incorporeal. ऑनरशिप किस चीज से मुतल्लिका है, वो चीज जो है वो कॉर्पोरियल और इनकॉर्पोरियल हो सकती है, बट ऑनरशिप इन ऑल द केसेस हैज टू बी दी. सो डियर कोलीग्स, डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज ऑनरशिप, collection, combination of many legal rights, basically 3 legal rights: possidendi, utendi, dispondendi. And with this, I say goodbye.